Question 4. Identify each of the following as an example of potential or kinetic energy. So in order to answer this question, we have to know what the difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. So potential energy, I'll write PE, and kinetic energy, I'll write KE. So potential energy occurs when something is in a high position. So it's a energy of position or composition, which would in chemicals have potential energy inside of their bonds. Kinetic energy is the energy that something has when it's moving. So letter A, gasoline. So gasoline is a chemical, and we know when we react it by burning, it releases energy. So a chemical has energy inside of it, like gasoline, would have potential energy. Skating. So if you're skating and moving around, any type of motion would be kinetic energy. And a candy bar. Well, a candy bar gives us fuel for our bodies, and so a candy bar has potential energy by its composition, because when it undergoes the reaction in digestion, it releases some of its energy.